Look at all those people.
I could take off a couple of
What were all
pounds.
those people doing, Jim?
There's 50 people from 50 states, David.
Wow.
Listening to the investment club, which is a lot more than you did.
I was working, okay?
Oh,
I was working.
I think he was on air. You guys were on air yesterday. It was really weird.
We worked a lot, but so did you.
No, but yesterday was insane.
What I love, though, is you gave the club stuff that they're not going to get on television.
Right.
The Disney call, for example.
Yeah, we bought some Disney right in the conference call, and I really think that Disney's right. We also had this interview. I think we have
look at all those people
sound
waving.
on. I think we have a little bit of what Jim Farley said. He made major news on our club call.
Let me hear it.
You might
Ford
wanna hear
CEO Farley.
Yeah, Jim Farley.
Okay, we're going to give him one second.
That's amazing.
They're getting that ready.
Well, that's like there was this guy came up when he wasn't ready yet, and it was like he made this cameo, one of our people. Yeah, it's funny.
You know, on Closing Bell, Stephanie Link went after your Disney call. It's funny. She didn't. I just thought it was interesting. Anyway. You know what? We have the Farley sound, so we could go to that if you'd like. Yeah.
We have Jim Farley. We don't have
correct.
The wrong Farley. We have Tom Farley. We got Jim Farley.
Let's
get it, Farley.
Take a listen.
We're completely oversubscribed with our battery electric vehicles. Lightning especially, the F-150 Lightning, America's best-selling vehicle. Everyone loves the electric version. They haven't even driven it yet. Where do they drive it? 0 to 60 in like a 911. It's just an incredible product. It powers your house for 4 days. We had to stop reservations. We got so many.
Well, that's important because one of the things that's happened is that the one, when he talks about it, Jonas.
Yes, the analyst at Morgan Stanley.
Rivian. Just so people can catch
who seems to be having an existential crisis and wrote some sort of report this thing about a death of an auto analyst, and we're a little concerned about it.
Biff was saying, Hap was saying, look, what's interesting is that we've been comparing the reservations of Rivian and Tesla to Ford reservations. Well, now we know he stopped. We were thinking, I guess that was just kind of a blip. No. And I think he's going to get permission to build all of the plants he needs. By the way, Mountain Pass MP Materials, they have found, they're building a giant factory with GM. Mary Barra should not be discounted in this thing. She is making it so that she's going to have the magnet capacity, and I think that she's going to be a comer. So I love talking about Tesla and Musk, who keeps selling stock. That's great. Mary Barra ain't selling stock. She's selling cars. That's a good business.
Yeah. Of course, Toyota, which had hoped to have some normal production as of this month, is having to push that back, at least in Japan, because the supply constraints that we thought might be cleared up by year-end are sticky.
Well, that's why you have to do what Farley did. Contracts, long-term with global foundries. You have to do these long-term contracts. America was way too much interested in just-in-time. Just-in-time is not great for a company that's trying to figure out whether to build a giant fab.
Right.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.